Note taking is not at all necessary. Books like Lakshmikant for Indian Polity, Lexicon for Ethics, Spectrum for Modern India, and so on are already notes. And what is the point of taking more notes of notes itself? And above that, there are n number of note taking methods. There are mind maps, there is cornell method, outline method, flow chart, visual notes, and whatnot. Note taking is a futile, fruitless exercise unless you are revising your notes. Basically, what is the point of taking notes if you are not revising and revisiting your notes? And what is the point of taking notes if you are not able to recall that information when it is required the most? So why do we take notes? And why there is a varied opinion on note taking? Yes, note taking is a futile exercise unless you are revising your notes. You are preparing for the exam. In any exam, there are several subjects, and subjects contain topics. How do you study those topics? You either read that topic in the book, or you watch the video on YouTube, or attend a physical lecture. Watching lengthy lessons and attending lengthy classes is the best learning activity. However, students in general tend to lose concentration, tend to lose focus, and tend to lose track. Unless you are gifted with razor sharp focus and concentration, and that too with the endurance of long hours, we fail to remain an active participant in the long run. After 10 to 15 minutes, everything that is incoming often went past as a bouncer. After 10 to 15 minutes, we are present there physically, but our mind starts wandering. In this scenario, note taking has helped me a lot. When I take notes, I am an active participant and cautious receiver of information. I am aware of the fact that what the teacher is saying and what the author is trying to convey. This keeps me engaged. We grab the information falling from the mouth of the teacher and put it on a paper. We are an active listener and receiver when we write that information. In the case of mind maps, arrows always tell me what I am learning and what topic it is. Basically, arrows tell me what we are studying and subparts therein. Mind maps ensures that we stick to the main topic and not deviate. Also, while reading a book with lengthy chapters, when we write the information in our own words, we process that information and put that information on paper, and that paper remains with us. But now, the most important thing, that paper is a waste if we are not revisiting that paper again and again. That paper has no value if I fail to engrave that information written on the paper in my mind. What is the point of all these notes that I took, all those lectures that I attended, and all those YouTube videos that I watched, and the lengthy books that I read, if I am unable to recall that information in the exam? So the thing which is more important than anything else is a revision. Revise periodically. That is, on the day you read the stuff, try to recall that information. Again, revise at the end of the week or revise fortnightly. Then again, revisit, revise and recall that information on the day before the mock test or a week before the final exam. Revise so many times that at the end you can recall that information without the help of that paper or a book or a lesson. Then you can throw that paper away or stack it in your file or bookshelf.